Welcome everybody to our Green Acres. I'm Teresa. Today's video is a continuation of a series of videos I'm doing for Christmas decorating throughout my home. I'm going room by room and then I'll do a full home tour when I get finished. So today's video is going to be my family room, and also I'm doing a special collaboration with two of my very sweet friends. So y'all sit back, I hope y'all enjoy the video and get lots of holiday inspiration. If you're not already following me on my home decor Facebook page, I'd love for you to go over and join it at Our Green Acres Home Decor and DIY Inspirations. Also, go over and follow me on Instagram. I don't know if you've watched my home tour, and if not, I'll leave a link to it below. But my house is a very small house. We have 900 square foot on the lower level where we spend most of our time. This is our family room, which is very small. So I just want to show y'all the simple touches that I put to it, and I went with more of a shabby chic farmhouse theme this year. I'm going with the more neutral colors. And at the end of the video, I'm going to go over some things that I added and also where I got them, and a lot of the things you're going to see in the video today are going to be DIYs, and I've actually got videos out for a lot of it, so y'all just stay tuned for that, and I'll leave the links below down in my description box.
Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset, it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sanctuary. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. Here we go. All right. Now this Christmas, we're gonna dance. We're gonna dance. Come on. We're gonna dance, have a good time. Dance, all night long. We're gonna dance, and have a good time. I think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas.
Today I'm doing a special collaboration with two of my great friends, Trish and Kay from the Crafting Cousins. Their YouTube channel has been on the air less than a year, and they have been so successful with it so far. So after you leave my video, please go over to their channel, watch some of their videos. They do a lot of high-end farmhouse DIY projects, Dollar Tree DIYs, and lots of dupes. And also they have a chat live every Saturday, and they upload new videos almost daily. And if you are coming over from Trish and Kay's channel, I want to give you a big welcome. I'm so glad y'all are here. If you go over and visit Trish and Kay when my video's over, please tell them I sent you. Send them some love because they deserve it. Like I say, they are two great ladies, and I love them to death. I hope to get to meet them in person one day because we actually live very close to each other. Hope you're enjoying the video so far, and if you are, please hit that like button. It really helps out our channel. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, we'd love for you to. I hope y'all enjoyed the tour of our family room. Now I'm going to go over a few things of where I got some stuff. These candles I introduced yesterday and featured them in my master bedroom tour. So if you haven't seen that yet, I'm going to link it below. But these come from Amazon, and I will have a link to them down below. They are on remote control, and you get 9 to a box, and they come in different sizes. The Crackling Fireplace up on the TV is a YouTube channel. You just search on Crackling Fireplace. It has the sound effects and everything. I'll put a link to it below. This pillow I got at Big Lots for $16. This Santa is a DIY. I used a frame that I had, and this is a Santa gift bag. So y'all, framing gift bags is a very inexpensive way to make your own wall decor. The rag wreath was a DIY project, and I will leave a link to the video for it down below. I just made it out of some drop cloth and scrap fabric. This wreath can be used all year long. The grandfather clock is a family heirloom that my granddaddy gave me, and I love it. I've had it for many years when he passed on, and I always decorate every year with the gold Santa, and I just put him up there with some greenery, and I added a bow. Over my sofa, I've got a wreath hanging on an old window that I got in a haul, and I've got a video for that also. And I purchased this, and it was very large, and I wanted to put it over my sofa, so I did, and just added a bow to my wreath. I've got some cone trees over beside my sofa on an end table, and then the big clock, I get questions on it a lot. It come from Lowe's. And I just added that greenery to the lamp, and I showed that in my previous video. So if you want to know how to make some greenery for your lamps, go over and check out that video. I hung a wreath in my window. I love doing this, and it just makes your windows look longer and gives, I don't know, to me it gives your space more of an elegance. I made the cone trees that's on the little trunk, and I had a video for that. The little rocking horse, that was a yard sale find, and I chalk painted it, and I fixed him up to be shabby chic. So there's a video on that too. In my tree this year, I went shabby chic. I did, I made my own bow for my tree topper, and the Merry Christmas is a Dollar Tree DIY. And then I just went through and put some, shabby chic looking flowers in it, and I made messy bows to go on my tree this year. The lights you see come from Amazon. You get a whole box, and there is a ton of lights in these, and I'm going to link them down below. My tree is not very old, but every year I take it out, one section of lights are out. This year every section was out, so I had a pre-lit tree with no lights. I don't know if y'all have that same problem, but it's so aggravating. So anyway, I ordered the lights on Amazon. I'm very happy with them. The plaid pillow covers come from Amazon. I'll link them. And in the video, I showed y'all this little bucket. We found this on our property. I added some greenery and some stars. And in the video, I didn't have a bow on the stars, and then I added the bow. So I just want to show you how you can just put little simple details on something, and it really, just adds so much detail to it. And I just added a little bow to that Christmas tree. This little tree right here is a yard sale find. And there's actually a set of them. I have 2 of them, and I love them. So I always like to set these out. And I'm just showing you different variations of how you can stage things in your home. And just to give y'all ideas and inspiration for when you decorate. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. I hope you got lots of inspiration. Do not forget to go over and check out Trish and Kay at the Crafting Cousins. And like I say, make sure to tell them I sent you and give them lots of love. They deserve it. Also want to give a big thanks to Trish and Kay for collabing with me. It was an honor. Thanks so much. If you know anyone that would enjoy this video, please share it with your friends and family. And as always, y'all, I love y'all and I hope y'all have a great week. And God willing, I will see y'all in the next video. Thanks for watching, y'all.